Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Kia Stinger alternator. We'll cover everything from initial preparation to final testing, making this a straightforward process for you. Before we begin, always prioritize safety by wearing gloves and eye protection. This guide aims to help you confidently tackle this repair, saving you time and money. Let's get started with the essential first steps. First, always disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical shorts. Next, safely lift your Stinger using a jack and secure it firmly on jack stands. Never work under a vehicle supported only by a jack. You might need to remove the engine cover, air intake, or other accessories to gain clear access to the alternator, which is typically located on the lower front passenger side of the engine. Take your time with these initial steps. Now, locate the serpentine belt tensioner, usually a spring-loaded pulley, and use a breaker bar or wrench to release tension, then remove the belt. Disconnect the main power cable and any smaller electrical connectors from the alternator. Unbolt the 2 or 3 mounting bolts holding the alternator in place. Carefully maneuver the old unit out. Then, position your new alternator, secure its mounting bolts, and reconnect all electrical connections firmly. With the new alternator in place, carefully route the serpentine belt back onto all pulleys, ensuring it's seated correctly, then release the tensioner. Reinstall any components you removed earlier, like the air intake. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start your Stinger and check your dashboard for any battery or charging system warning lights. Use a multimeter to confirm the charging voltage is between 13.5 and 14.5 volts. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.